Hey all, my name is Norit and welcome to my channel. Today I have my little dog with me. I want to make her a dress, a pink dress, so that she will feel beautiful and confident and attract all the neighborhood doggies. I have this old skirt. It has panels, but I think I can use it. Maybe it will give it a more flary feel. And also I received on the mail finally a presser foot for my sewing machine, and this foot is supposed to gather the fabric for you so that you don't have to sew a straight stitch and then pull it carefully so it doesn't tear. I hope it will work. I will try it now with this skirt for my lovely doggy. So let's get started. As before, she's sitting so nicely because she has snacks. Okay, let's start. First, I want to measure the diameter of her belly. That's 36 centimeters. And I think that I will use one of the panels, or perhaps two, as the belt. Let's start cutting the fabric. I need to cut two and then join them together.
I never think, I never know. I'm stuck and left alone. I've been lost, I've been...
Okay, that will be the belt. And now the skirt itself. I think I want to make it relatively long. And if I need it to be shorter, I can always make it shorter. I think I will start. Maybe we'll start at 5 panels and then we'll see. So I want it to be this long.
My cause is not defined. Won't you kiss me?
So that's the skirt. So I need to hem the sides of the skirt. I'm using the original overlock seams because my overlock machine has black thread and I don't want to switch it. So I'm going to find a pink thread and then I'm going to sew, fold and sew the hems. I'm going to sew the side of the skirt. I'm using the original overlock stitch here. So I will hem both sides and then I will try to use this foot to gather this part of the skirt. Regarding the belt, I'm going to fold it on the wrong side and then stitch, and later on I will flip it. First I'll connect both sides of the belt and then I will sew from the wrong side and flip it so it will be a nice finish. Let's go to the sewing machine. This new foot for my machine does not fit. Round bar is thicker than the other, so it fits on the latter but not on the first. I will have to do the gathering by hand, and as always, hard work. Never mind. I'll think of a way, or I can skip the gathering part altogether and just use the skirt as it is. In that case, I will have to make it shorter, both in width and height, so it will be like an A skirt for a dog, something like that. Okay, I'll start with the belt. It should be fairly easy. Let's start. I'll just cut the excess fabric and go ahead and sew. I'll place some pins and then I'll sew all the way around. This is way more length than I need. I will just cut off the excess once I'm done. This is how it turned out. I'm thinking that perhaps I will use all this length, thread and elastic, so it will shrink, and when it shrinks it will shrink the skirt as well, so I don't have to gather it. So I'll do that. Anything to avoid gathering. I have to flip the ribbon. So I'm going to take my tool. This is a metal tool, I showed it before. Just insert the tool in the belt and then be nice to me. Yes, it's working. Okay, now I can release this part and pull by hand. Great. One thing off my shoulders. Okay, so the belt turned out really small, but I think it will suffice. I think I want the dress to be shorter in the height. I think I have too much height here. So I'm going to fold it and cut it to make it shorter. I think short like this it's much better. As I said before, I'm going to fold the edges and sew them using the overlock that's already there, and then I will connect this part with the belt and thread elastic to the belt. So I'm thinking I'll use an old lace and decorate this skirt a bit, because it's for my lovely dog. She deserves some lace. She's a lady and I think it will look really cute. Let's check it out. So I basically have 3 layers. The first is the skirt, the second is the lace, and then the belt. And I will connect all 3 together. I'll just cut out the excess lace. Or maybe I'll sew it first, so just in case I won't have a piece missing. Look at this, isn't it beautiful? And then I will thread the elastic. I still have a hole here, the tube. Everything will shrink, so hopefully it will look nice. Fit for a dog. So cute! Okay, cut out the excess and let's thread the elastic. It always turns out like this. I start a project thinking I will do something and then I ended up doing something else. I'm led by the wind. I'm led by the spirit of sewing. Oh, sewing spirit. We need to pray every time we start a project that it will start and end the same way. But sometimes these diversities are nice. As you recall, I need 36 centimeters. I'm going to cut exactly 36. I actually need less. I want to have an overlap and to sew it close, so the 36 will be a bit tight, so it will not fall. Okay, so I'm going to cut it and thread it in the belt. Just make sure you don't lose this edge. Okay, so I need to sew this part. Let's try it on. I'll just go find the dog. Lizzie? It looks like a cape. I'm not sure she likes this. Stand up, 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 up. Cute little skirt. So this is how it looks on her. More like a cape, and it's very long. It's in the length of her legs. So I think I have 2 options. One is to make it shorter, and the other is to add elastic and have it more suited to her body. So that's what I'm going to do the minute she finishes her snack. So once again, I know the diameter of her belly is 36 centimeters. So I'm going to take, I think, 30 tight around her belly, and that's it. So I'm going to measure the middle and mark it somehow. I don't have it. So this is the middle, and I'll take the middle of the skirt and that will be here. I'm going to sew while I stretch. I'm going to use the zigzag stitch. So this is how it looks from the inside, and of course I forgot to change the lower thread, so I have it black, and now we can see black instead of white. But that's okay, because stuff happens. Now let's try it on the doggy. I think it looks much better. So if you like this video or find it entertaining, please like and subscribe below. Please comment if you have any questions or remark. I will be happy to hear from you. And that's it. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.